It's great to be at Seawork this year to meet with our customers, network with some new people, and show off some of our technologies, like the new Concept Zero heat exchanger, which has zero fossil fuels in making of the steel.
We're really looking at the core technologies that Alfa Laval is in, so thermal management, heat generation, heat management, and how we can help customers with filtration and separation, and then also with the clean and green technologies around oily waste management, ballast water treatment, and freshwater generation.
We're delighted to welcome Her Royal Highness Princess Royal and cut the ribbon.
Yeah, so it's great to be back at Seaworks again this year. It's a great opportunity for us to meet with our existing customers, new customers, and for me particularly, it's a great time to spend with our engineering companies.
Here we have the Moati lube oil filter on the stand here for 4-stroke engines. Will maximise your engine uptime, will lower your fuel cost of ownership for filtration products, and lower your installation costs as well.